how to share your reviews on TripAdvisor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to share your reviews with others in TripAdvisor? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open up your TripAdvisor app. Then at the bottom, you will find review option, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on the three dots beside your review and you can see share reviews option. So tap on share your review and then you can share your review through airdrop, messages, mail, messenger, Snapchat and other apps, or you can just tap on copy and then share the link with others. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.